How to change a Craftsman Snowblower Spark Plug. The Craftsman Snowblower makes it easy to remove snow without needing a snow shovel. The snowblower uses a small gasoline engine that uses a spark ignition system. The spark plug ignites the fuel, causing the combustion process. Craftsman recommends inspecting the spark plug every 100 operating hours, or every year. You should replace the spark plug if the porcelain is cracked or the electrode on the end is burned or fouled. You can replace the spark plug at home with a few basic tools. Things you'll need: socket wrench, spark plug, rag. Turn off the engine and allow it to cool before starting the procedure. Remove the spark plug wire by pulling it gently with your fingers. Clean around the spark plug with a rag to remove any dirt or debris. Remove the spark plug with a socket wrench. Turn the spark plug counterclockwise to remove it. Install the new spark plug with your fingers and tighten with a socket wrench. Connect the spark plug wire by pushing it gently onto the spark plug. Tips: warnings. Write down the model number before purchasing a replacement spark plug. If you can't locate the model number, take the old spark plug with you when you buy the new one. Allow the engine to cool completely before starting the procedure.